how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw an Among Us character from a top view angle, okay? So it's gonna be really easy, step by step. There's a lot of value in drawing these guys, honestly, because if you know how to draw one, you can draw them all, and that's what we're gonna go through, okay? Let's get started, okay? It's really short as well, the whole lesson. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve. Right here is kind of like a U shape. Go over here on the corner, right? Curve around the side there. Curve around the side here. And I'm gonna continue here as a slight U shape because we're looking at them from like a top point of view. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve. And this side. Curve. Curve around the top of the head, all right? Down over here, curve. Down over here, curve. Up, up. Okay. Line underneath. And we're gonna draw the backpack kind of at the top, which is very different, right? Because we're looking at him from like up, down view. So you're gonna kind of see the top of his backpack. Line. Line, curve, you're gonna see the backpack as he's standing there. All right, gonna go right here and I'm gonna draw a curve line for the shine area. Maybe like a highlight over here. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to draw a thicker line around the outside. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw stuff, whether it be Godzilla, whether it be Among Us, whether it be different, stuff from video games, anything like that. If you want to learn how to draw it, I draw three. Basically, I give you 3 lessons every day, completely free. It's on every single topic you can think of. So hit the subscribe button if that stuff sounds good to you. And yeah, click that bell notification as well. Otherwise, it's not even going to tell you that it's coming up. But that's pretty much it. If my stuff here is, worth your time, please consider coming back. Curve along the side. Curve over here. And again, we're going to keep just putting this slightly thicker line around the outside. It's kind of like proper line art. It's proper line art in that sense. Right, proper line out tends to have, see how that looks better, by the way? Are you aware of that? It looks a lot better to contain the outside lines, right? Having that container makes it look a little bit more like a sticker or a little bit more creative. So yeah, absolutely do that. And if you do want to fix up anything on the lines here, you can always draw throw some more style in it. You can throw a line like this along the edge of, let's say, some limbs. And it's gonna look like a little bit of shadow being harnessed over here. Curve right here. You can always do some extras as well. So let's just say you want them to have like a thought bubble. You can totally do that. You can maybe draw like one bubble here. Slightly bigger one. And then maybe you can just kind of do like a pretty larger one over here. Draw a line here. Could just give him like an exclamation point, something relatively easy, right? You can even fill that in to make it seem more obvious, right? Because this is your universe that you're creating. Even though this is someone else's character, you can still put them into scenarios, and that's kind of like, I think, really valuable to learn in art, and a lot of people don't do it. If you do little stuff like this, it can make your stuff a lot better and more pleasing. You can even thicken the line out just on these as well. Try to equal the line over here, because I noticed the line's thicker over there. It could kind of make a difference as far as these two are running into each other. It can kind of make a difference as far as how unified stuff is. Don't forget, check out the playlist. I'm putting an Among Us playlist over here in the top right-hand corner. I have over 50 drawings of Among Us characters in different poses, doing different things, and pretty much everything you could think about. So go check out that playlist. They're all free. They're all free. It's free to learn, right? It's free to just sit here and learn to draw all day. So absolutely consider doing that. If you were to do anything else to this guy, I would probably... I guess you could put a little bit of a darker shadow at the bottom here on his, like that lens, or like it's caused like a little bit more focus on that lens, just at least from the bottom part. Like so. But a lot of these changes are up to you. So yeah, a couple of little bit of announcements for the channel. I am constantly working on this, and I am very, very happy that you guys are here. If you guys want to help the channel out, if you enjoy what I do here, absolutely, there's two things you can do. Number one, you can donate to the channel. The PayPal is in the description. You can go do that. Everything you give goes back to the channel. The markers, the colored markers, the paper, editing equipment, all of that stuff, 100% of that goes into the channel. Okay, if you do want to help the channel out, if you like what I do here. The second one is share the video. Sharing is caring. When you share the video, it brings this huge boost of cool people that come in, and it's just cool for the morale. I love it. But absolutely, you can do that. It takes less than a second to share on, there's a auto share button on the bottom right hand corner, I believe, on YouTube, whether it be on phone or not. And you can auto share it to anything you're logged into. So you can auto share it to Twitter. You just kind of press it, do like 2 clicks, less than a second, less than a split second, and it will share it. But when you do that, it helps things out here, and it helps us grow. So I'm trying to hit 200,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and hopefully I hit that. Thanks so much, guys. It's amazing to talk to you guys, and everybody's been super nice to me, and I just trying to figure out how to, make a better experience for you guys here. So thank you, and I'll see you later.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.